go ahead and uncover it. The truck backed up and attached to the car so we can pull it up onto the driveway, and then we'll push it into the garage. Her friend Snowflake and her baby. Okay, so we've got it uncovered, got it on the driveway. It's definitely covered in dirt and filth, so we're going to wash it and then get it into the garage. There's the registration and inspection from 2003. That's how long it's been since it's driven.
You drove this one a long time ago, I bet. A very long. Why didn't it break in, stroking in the first place?
Yeah, it blew up at the racetrack, buddy.
Blew up? Well, as you can see, it cleaned up quite nice, but it did sit under a cover for about 5 years. Probably longer than that, really, actually, but it sat under a cover for a long time, and covers are real bad for the clear coat, so it probably needs to be buffed. I don't know, I got a friend that owns a body shop. I'll talk to him and see what we can do with it, but otherwise I'm pretty happy. All the headlights are messed up in it. You can see that that one blinker is falling out. That headlight fell out. This headlight's full of water. Both the fog lights, the lenses fell off of it. Just kind of showing you how old it actually is. So, as you can see, it's really, really hot. in this Texas heat. So I'm going to cut it here, get some grub. We'll pick up tomorrow where we'll get inside it and start pulling everything out, vacuum it out, see what all's in there. I'm really not sure what's left in that car, if there are any performance parts left behind, or if I just sold it all. It's been so long, I honestly just don't remember what we've got. So it'll be just as much of a surprise for me as it is for y'all. Alright, so as you can see, it's a new day. We cleaned the car yesterday. We're going to jump in and start pulling everything out of the interior, clean it up, vacuum it out, see what all's under the hood, in the trunk, see what all we can find. So we're going to jump right in. You ready to get started?
Yeah! Woo!
Okay.
Why would you leave all this stuff in here for years?
Well, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with the car, so when I took it out, or when the engine blew up, then I took it all apart and sold parts of it. I didn't know what I would need and not need, so I just threw everything back here that still didn't have a use for it yet. So
You mean like the stuff that didn't get sold?
yeah, stuff that didn't get sold, stuff that I cared about. Like, see, this is a Ford Racing valve cover that matches the paint color of the car, so I kept that. Set it all right down there on the floor, buddy.
What is this?
It's a light, it's not a headlight. See if we can get this door open. I'll tell you, it's hot in here. Door lock actuator is actually seized, and it won't allow the lock to unlock. Let me climb out, and I gotta get some tools. So I was thinking, even though I'll probably replace them because they're all messed up anyway, I thought I'll go ahead and put this one back in just so it looks a little better while I'm working on it. I think the whole front end's coming off to mock up the turbo once I get that far. But in between now and then, just for fun, I thought I'd just put this headlight back in. As you can see, this blinker, the lids fell off of it, so
I'll either have to glue it or just replace the whole thing. And it looks like it's just glued in there, but I don't know. We'll see. For now, though, like I said, I just want to get it looking a little bit better and then go from there. Sorry if y'all can't hear me. That fan is a godsend. It's over 100 degrees in here, and it is hot. Yeah, total rig, but looks a little bit better. Just so it sits there and looks nicer. Alright, so now I'm going to vacuum everything out on the inside.